still in there. There we go. Hey, look at that. First target. That's a piece of gold. Beautiful. All right. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, there it is. All right. Still on heavier targets. That's good. I think this might be a dime. Oh, there it is. Nope, it's a penny. See what it is. Penny. Oh, it's a quarter. Okay. That's good. I'll take it. Alright, I'll do that. Yep, there it is. Alright. Good. Still in the right area. I'll have a quarter of that. Yep, there it is. Alright. Good. Still in the right area. Quarter. Back. Oh, maybe it's a dime instead. Yep, it's a dime. Alright, keep it going. Laying right on the surface practically. Nice. That's a good sign too. Alright, I'll be back. Something choppy right here. Alright, see what it is. Looks like a penny. Yep, penny. Alright. $12.03. Oh, I see something shiny. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like I got a piece of a watch band or a bracelet. Huh. Alright, pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else we can get. Oh, if I see it. Oh, what do we have here? Little crucifix. I don't see any markings on it. Might be junk. I'll take a look when I get home. Still cool. Alright. Let's keep it going. A penny or a dime right here, I think. I think I see it right there. Oh, yep, there it is. Dime. Alright. See if I can track down some more jewelry out there. See what this is. That's a pretty damn old fishing lure. Still good old stuff up high here. Maybe a dime. There it is. Another dime. Probably a penny or a dime. There it is. Dime. Take that over a penny any day. All right.